This is 4 days of vegan meal prep, and each day has around 220 grams of protein. The first thing that I want you to notice is that this doesn't look pretty. And I want to emphasize the point that meal prep doesn't have to be pretty or fancy for it to work. What matters is that it's healthy, that you're hitting your macros, your calories, and that whatever you're eating is aligned with your fitness and health goals. Now, before I tell you the specific ingredients that I use for my meal prep, I want you also to notice that I don't prep meals, I prep foods. For example, here we have 2 containers. Each container has 100 grams of protein. And that's enough for 2 meals every single day. So this covers me for 2 days. Then here I have the carb sources, and these are steamed potatoes. Next we have vegetables, and these are stir fried, and it's a mix of vegetables. Inside we have a mix of peppers, green peppers, yellow peppers, and red peppers. We have asparagus, we have onions, and we have some mushrooms. I also have uncooked rice. This is great if one day I wake up and I don't want to eat potatoes. I don't have to eat potatoes, which is one of the benefits of prepping ingredients instead of prepping complete meals, because if that's the case, I can eat rice instead of potatoes that day. Right here, I have chopped up pineapple. And next up, we have frozen berries, protein powder, spinach, and avocado. And the way that I do this is very simple. When I wake up, I know that this is gonna be part of my day. This is the protein for 2 meals, and this is the protein for the other 2 meals. Depending on how I feel that day, I can decide if I wanna eat the tofu and the seitan with potatoes, with rice, maybe with sweet potatoes. Maybe that day I want quinoa and I can swap out the potatoes for quinoa. And then I just add some vegetables on top to get the micronutrients, the fiber, and the minerals. Now we have the sweet stuff. Now pineapple usually is a snack or a dessert. I usually have my pineapple right after I have one of my salty meals, or I have my pineapple as a snack throughout the day if I'm getting hungry. And finally, I mix these ingredients together to prep my smoothies. I mix spinach, frozen berries, plant-based protein powder, and right now I'm using water because I'm cutting. Other benefits of prepping foods instead of ingredients is that you can be more flexible and you can have more variety in your day-to-day. Let's imagine that one day you want to have some mango. Super easy to just eat your mango and then adjust whatever you need to adjust to still make it fit within your calories. If you have the meal prep, it'll be harder because everything's already scrambled. Or if you live in a house with other people, then they can actually grab some potatoes or maybe some pineapple, or they can make a smoothie for themselves and they're not going to mess up your prep. Whereas if you have your meals prepped and someone eats one of your daily meals, they might ruin your full day. So the best advice if you're looking to start meal prep is to prep your foods separately. Focus on putting your protein in a container and then decide how you're going to mix things up later. Now, if you want to see my full meal plan and you want to see what I'm eating right now, I'm at 220 grams of protein, 26 to 2700 calories because I'm dieting. Then you can check out the description where you can download a PDF where I break down every single meal and what I'm eating every single day. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments.